Today we're going to be talking about the history of the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride versus Frozen Ever After. This is actually a video about the difference and which ride you think will be better. Do you think Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride is better, or do you think the Frozen Ever After ride is better? Let's find out. It's a steel roller coaster that is located at the Magic Kingdom and also at Shanghai Disneyland Park. The Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride opened on May the 28th, 2014, but it soft opened on May the 21st, 2014 on Friday for the soft opening because of the 24-hour event at Magic Kingdom Park and Disneyland, which is called the Walk Your Disney Side. Dwarfs Mine Train began at few attractions existed in Fantasyland. Snow White's Scary Adventures, a popular attraction and one of the original attractions of the Magic Kingdom Park, was about to be replaced by Princess Fairy Tale Hall, where you can meet Disney princesses. The Snow White original attraction was going to be replaced. But however, a new friendly family coaster will take place where the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea attraction and Pooh's Playful Spot used to be. When 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea was replaced, then Pooh's Playful Spot was being built in the area. Later, the area was being emptied out as Pooh's Playful Spot became demolished in 2010. So it was all grass. But because the Fantasyland expansion began in 2011 or late 2010, it looks like the areas like Mickey's Toot Down Fair were being demolished. Shanghai Disneyland opened its Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride attraction 2 years after the Magic Kingdom's Mine Train ride, but it didn't become popular because a lot of attractions were already built as well on the grand opening on Shanghai Disneyland. But the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride here in Florida at Walt Disney World is sure popular, and Fast Pass may be difficult to attendance. On November the 1st, 2014, after the Wishes fireworks show at the Magic Kingdom Park, sparklers began falling on top the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride building, and it looks like guests were very frustrated and terrorized because the attraction could get destroyed. Luckily, security and firemen were able to protect the ride, and cast members were able to escort guests out of the area safely without being harmed or being yelled at. And unfortunately, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride did survive the fire. So guests were a little bit shocked, but everybody was alright after that incident. Luckily, the fireman took down the fire and the craziness was a little bit calming down. So nothing bad happened after the night, because by midnight on the ride, when you go in Nikita, you see spinning barrels, water gems, and your favorite characters from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and music as you wait in line. Also, the Fast Pass line is a short line, so it's not that long of a wait for Fast Pass Plus. The attraction history. Inside the attraction, you go and meet the Seven Dwarfs. But when time runs out, it's time to go home, and time to say I hope, as you go back to Snow White's cottage and finally get to see the Wicked Witch, Snow White's evil stepmother, as she tries to give Snow White an apple that day. The end. Frozen Ever After is the water ride in the dark and the freezing cold at Epcot Center's World Showcase. This attraction opened on June the 21st, 2016. This attraction is also part of the 2016 event, the Awakened Summer Walt Disney World. On September the 12th, 2014, Walt Disney World officials announced that Maelstrom would be replaced by Frozen. Frozen Ever After's animatronics are exactly the same animatronics used at the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train the same computer animatronics. So, in 2015 sometime, a fire broke backstage at Walt Disney World's Norway Pavilion as a course. The course was meant for a reason, because Maelstrom was going to get replaced. The course has it that Maelstrom's replacement will cause a fire to happen on the backside of Norway Pavilion. Luckily, the fire was actually ended, washed away, and employees got back to work. History. On Frozen Ever After, the story starts as riders and guests come to Arendelle, which is near Norway, to celebrate the day Anna saved her sister Elsa, and Elsa saved her sister Anna. This is a special event because on summer day, Olaf's favorite time of the year, you get to say, let her go, as you go inside this cold attraction. You first start at Arendelle, then you go in the boats, as you go to Elsa's palace, as you go backwards and forwards throughout the story. At the end of the ride, you make it, and finally, everything is all calm. There are no bad guys in this attraction other than a musical performance from movie scenes, like Frozen, the movie, and Frozen Fever. Those are the animatronics being used. At the end of the ride, Anna and Elsa love each other and they celebrate a sing-along Frozen spectacular with Olaf's favorite song, It's Summer.
Dude, look down! Move left and right, bro! Oh, you can't move it anymore!
Step out to your right. Hands on, stick the legs inside the boat there. And watch your little dance, yeah? Ahora sí, señorita. Mantenga las manos y brazos y pies izquierdos dentro del bote. Y a sus niños, ¿ya? On a day very much like today, on our saved system, we went unselfish and of true love, and full of frozen.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Just call it midnight, 'cause for the first
So tell me down in the comments down below, which attraction do you think is better? Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or Frozen Ever After?